This is a fabrication project on this Chevrolet truck, and it involves replacing the floors. We're finishing up the floor on this Chevrolet, I call them round body pickups. And we've got a great welder here that is learning how to do fabrication, and this absolutely looks wonderful the way it ended up. The floor really was wasted, it was so rusted out, and we've replaced the entire floor and are in the process now of doing some other spots around here to finish up the fabrication work to get rid of all the rust on this cab. We've taken a bunch of videos on this already about this, the way this floor started out and where it is right here, but we're kind of at the end of this, so I just wanted to kind of highlight what we've done so you can see what this is. Now, the one thing that I've learned over time is that as we do these videos, this is a lot more complicated than it seems, and I kind of brush over the top of it, assuming that you know a lot about what we're doing here. But if it's something you need to ask more questions, well, just email me. I'll be happy to answer you and help you out if you're going to put floors in your vehicle. This started out, the first thing you do is you cut them out, and I think you're going to see how we removed them, and then how we took the new floors that obviously, that's one thing you need to know, is they never fit. And we made these fit and then welded them in and then cleaned up the welds. And I'm extremely proud of the work that we've done on this. It looks just fantastic. It's too bad it's going to have to be covered up and have mats and all kinds of things on it, because it's really great work. So if it's a starter. It's something that you need to learn as you go. It's not something you can open a book and do with directions. You have to learn this on your own. That's how I started out years ago. And as we've all learned how to do this, we all get better at it. So I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair in Old Garland, Texas. My website is wilsonauto.com. My YouTube is what you're probably doing right now. We'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe, because that helps us be able to afford to do this so we can help you work on your car.